welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be cooking up a hot sauce. No YouTube channel is complete, especially a cooking channel, without your own hot sauce on there. So I'm going to be making a hot sauce, and I just want to give a shout out to a couple of people that I've come across on my journeys of travel. Especially a brother Miguel, who's actually from Argentina, and he was going to, where was he going? He was going to Berlin. He said, Manny, I'm going to Berlin. I'm going to follow you on your channel. And I've got a big shout out to the people that I saw the other day, a gang of people from Bar and Beyond. They went to Letchworth, so hi there gang. And this chili sauce is just going to be a lightweight chili sauce. I say a middleweight as in boxing, you know they're there. As soon as they hit you, you're still standing, you're looking at what happened. It's one of them chili sauces, not a big heavyweight AJ style, bang, and knocks you out on the floor and you're sitting around thinking, bloody hell, how do I get up? But should we just go for it? Let's get into it. To make a simple chili sauce, I've got 1 mango, some sea salt, half of lemon there, you got some garlic cloves there, some hot chilies, red ones and some green ones, apple cider vinegar. You can use normal vinegar if you want, and just there you go, you've got some coriander. That's it. We're going to put that into the blender and then go for it. So here we go, time to put everything in there. And we've got the lemon, we've left it in there, as you can see, we left it whole. Got green chilies, put that in there. Don't worry about all that camera wobbling around and all that. What do you think this is? A James Cameron or something? Get that, put that in there, throw them in there. Get the garlic, there you go. Put that in there. Get the sea salt. Put that in there. Get the mangoes. I've cut it, obviously peeled it and cut it. I'm not going to show you that. Come on. We're in 2020 here, not 1940s. We don't know how to cut and peel mangoes. Come on, everyone. There we go. Put that in there. I'm going to put the coriander in. Mix that up, put that in there, and then we're going to put in, obviously, the cider vinegar as well, probably a cup of that, and blend it all together. There you go, it's all in there, mixed it all up. The sauce is done. Now I'm going to give it a try. I know everyone always tries their sauce yourself, but I'll give it a try and I'll tell you exactly what it's like. So what we've got, the sauce, there you go, it's there. You know what I've got a roast potato. I'm going to give it a go with the roast potato. Dip it in the sauce. Don't worry, you scared the cats out there, you're scared of the sauces. Give it a go. Here we go, bismillah. Whoa, it's actually quite hot to start off with, and then it cools down straight away, so don't worry, everyone can give it a go. I'm going to try it with something else. We've got corn, roast corn chicken. Dip it in there, proper when it comes out. Woo, covered. Ooh. Suddenly it's hot. It only sticks around for about 10-15 seconds, so it's perfectly fine. Don't worry, it won't be an AJ knockout, it's a medium one, so give it a go, make it yourself, see what you think, and we'll do another video next time. See ya.